Hey guys, hope you have had a great weekend. Miss Harrison is going to do a little science experiment about sound. This is called musical jars. The pitch of an instrument is related to the length of the vibrating part. Long strings make low sounds and short strings make high sounds. Some instruments, such as trumpets, control the amount of the air that vibrates. This gives the instruments a high or a low pitch. In this activity, you will find out how the amount of vibrating air affects the pitch. Okay, so the problem, how does the amount of air in a jar affect the pitch? Well, we're about to find out. I want you to turn to your workbook, page 93. And the first thing on your workbook, it says, how does the amount of air in a jar affect the pitch? Okay, Miss Harrison has all the supplies right here. I have jar A right here, and it has 50 milliliters of water in it. Okay, and I have jar B that has 100 milliliters of water, 50 milliliters and 100 milliliters. And you're going to tell me the hypothesis, which jar has the higher pitch. Is it A or is it B? So stop right now, pause this video, and I want you to put either A or B in that space. So now we're going to continue the procedure. Our procedure, you can see where Miss Harrison, I drew a line on A. I put A. And then here is, you draw a line on your jar right here. So jar A has the lesser amount. So on your jar, you're going to draw a line. And then on B, then you're going to draw another line. It's up a little bit further. Okay, now it has a space. How many milliliters does jar A have? You write 50. On B, how many milliliters? It is 100. So now it wants us to put which one, we're going to circle which one has the highest pitch. So here's jar A and here's jar B. So listen very carefully. Okay, do it again. Okay, and you're going to circle which one has it's a little higher pitch. So A was kind of like a thud. Okay, B. So it sounds a little higher. So which one did you circle? You circle B because it sounded higher. Now we're going to add in A 150 more milliliters, which means it has 200 now. Okay, so then we added 150 more. So now A is at 200. So you're going to write 200 on A, and then B stayed at 100 milliliters. So now let's test it. Let's listen to A. So B, it was the highest, but now A is the highest. So since we added more water, there's less air. It says circle the jar that has the highest pitch. So now we circled jar A. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you can do this at home. You can try different jars and add water into it, a liquid, and you can test if it's higher or if it's lower. Y'all have a great week.